World is running, especially in clinical data management. People are searching for number one position. Is growing little bit, and competition is more compared to 3 4 years 5 years back. Now for clinical data management, competition is high. People are, you know, they are competing each other. So you are starting career as a fresher now. How to compete with seniors? Seniors are very danger in any organization because they have learned already. They know each and everything. Obviously, they will ask you to. They will expect more things from you. So if you do little bit better as a fresher, you will be in the top position. So how to reach that position once you join to the clinical data management? Yes, it's very hard to understand all the scenarios when you started career in the first 6 months. Very difficult because you may have SOPs, you may have many tasks, and you need to learn, you need to understand a database, you need to understand the clinical management concept, how data is coming, lot of process. It takes time, it takes 6 months. If someone get good trainer, if trainer is not good, you don't understand even after 1 year. So to reach number one position without without depending on seniors or any other person, you need to think very logical way. If suppose one ECRF is there, some scenarios is there, you need to think what are the possible scenarios you can identify. Your brain should work when you start working in the study. You need to think, okay, this data is correct or not, how this needs to be recorded. Logical things, always think logics, because many people simply they blindly work in the trials. Many people don't take responsibility on the trial, and you need to search the protocol. Suppose adverse event is there, you need to search, okay, what are the things should be recorded in adverse event. Example, I will tell you. Adverse event start date, if site is saying unknown, then you should not accept. For adverse event, unknown is not acceptable. For adverse event, at least year should be recorded. Adverse event means after giving drug or during the drug, if anything happened, any event is happened, that is called adverse event. So we know already drug when it started, maybe 2 years back or 10, very recently the drug may started. So they have to give at least year. Whole complete year we cannot accept, complete date we cannot accept unknown. For any concomitant medications or adverse medical history, we can accept it unknown. But for adverse event, complete date unknown should not be accepted. That is what the logic, because this is according between the after giving the drug, right? So we have to compare other e-syrups and ask them to enter at least year. If you can compare other data when it is done, any other procedures in that time period only, the this AE adverse event is occurred. We need to ask always year. Full adverse full year if is unknown, we should not accept. That is wrong. So like this, so these scenarios I don't know how many people are know, but these kind of scenarios we have to think logically. That is how you will reach in the number one position. Many people think if unknown means okay, let's accept. But as a clinical data manager, like this, many scenarios will be there. You need to think logically. Okay, adverse event, why unknown? Here should be recorded like that. If you think like this, you will be in the top position. For each and every scenario, you need to think like this. And we have documents, protocol is important. If you have something needs to be, if you have doubt, you can refer always protocol, stick to the protocol, what protocol says. I think that is the one thing you make you top position. And while writing emails, you need to write very polite way, kind. While writing emails, email writing is hard. How to convey, how you will convey a message to your SDM, your managers. You should be act like very responsible person. Everything should be merged. You should be, if someone see you, they think, okay, this person is responsible. They're taking care. Like that, other person should get thought about you. Manager, if manager took about your name, they have to think, okay, this Manoj is taking care very nicely, or Prashant is taking care very nicely, or Valentine is taking care nicely. No need to worry. That kind of trust you need to build from the managers. Then you will be in the top position. I think this video help you to reach top position. Many things are there, but just comment below if you have any doubts, if you want more things, so that I can make video. Thank you so much for always watching. See you in next video. Bye.